Careers: electrician. It's no secret that electricity is pretty vital to our daily lives. But have you ever been fascinated by what it takes to ensure that electricity keeps flowing? If so, you might want to consider a career as an electrician. Simply put, electricians install, repair, and maintain electrical wiring, lighting, and equipment in buildings and other structures, like power lines. They make repairs during storms, install electrical lines in new construction, and make sure that your house's electricity is safe. Electricians use different instruments to test and figure out how to run electrical wires efficiently. Whether it is ensuring a home theater system is wired for optimal sound, or working on power lines after a storm, an electrician is the one who will solve your electrical problems. What skills are needed to become an electrician? Well, for starters, an interest in math and science is a must. Additionally, electricians need to know how to read architectural and engineering plans. They also need to know how to understand complex terminology and communicate that information to customers. And electricians have to have the physical strength needed to pull heavy cables through walls and other structures, and possibly work in inclement weather. The minimum educational requirement for an electrician is a high school degree. But many electricians continue their education at a technical school or college. In this case, the more training you get, the more marketable you will be. Another important part of becoming an electrician is through a multi-year apprenticeship or an on-the-job training program. This is where electricians learn electrical theory, blueprint reading, mathematics, electrical code requirements, and safety and first aid practices. Sound like something you're interested in? Start getting involved in STEM-related activities in your school and community now, or job shadow an electrician in your area. This high-demand profession will only continue to grow as the world's electrical needs increase. The best part? You get to provide people with a necessary service while working in a field you enjoy.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.